So what's going on, guys? Gonna wish y'all a Merry Christmas. Pretty cold out. We're gonna give you a cold start of the truck, and yeah, it's a little dirty. Pretty cold out. So it's about 15 out right now. So I guess that's not really cold for some people, but here, pretty chilly. It was started yesterday, but so. She was nothing. So yeah, guys, wishing y'all Merry Christmas. Yeah, man, let's go. Alright. But yeah, Merry Christmas to y'all. Yeah, guys, we'll go ahead and talk to y'all later. Hope y'all have a good Christmas. And stay warm. I'm gonna go inside for a minute. I'll let y'all look at the lights real quick. All LEDs. But yeah, guys, y'all have a good one, and got more lights coming on the truck we gotta put on. But yeah, guys, have a good Christmas.